How to change username on Twitter. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to change username on Twitter. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Edit Profile. On Twitter, simply tap your profile picture and go to Profile. Tap Edit Profile. Your username is the word beside name. Go ahead and erase that, input a new username of your liking, and hit Save. Step 2. Go to Settings. On the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Tap Your Account, then go to Account Information. Here, you will see your username. Tap on it and under the label New, you can input a new username of your liking and be sure to hit Save afterwards. And that's it! That is how you change username on Twitter. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!